Short video, small video, because I make a mistake. I was wrong. I'm sorry about that, and I have to fix that. I have to correct that. I said before that O-ring on an O-ring, it's not right. All right? That's the truth, if you're asking me at least. But that's not the case here. Because Tasos, he didn't open his eyes earlier. All right? And he was saying, I was thinking that, say, what in hell is that? Why to have a double, we have an O-ring on an O-ring? But, if you pay attention, this is the same O-ring like this one. All right? You see the dimensions. You see the diameter. And this is this O-ring here. But what's happening? It's more smart than I was thinking. I didn't get used to it on that, you know? So what's happening? It's a double O-ring application. What does mean that one? That means this O-ring here, this O-ring, this one, it steps here on the clean surface inside. And this O-ring, the outer, it steps all around here. That's why it has a little bit more lip here. It's amazing, it's smart. That means you have a double O-ring seal. That means relying on the inner one and on the outer one. I hope that I make myself clear. Okay, that was my mistake when I said that it's not good to step O-ring on an O-ring. But in true, it's like you have double O-ring, double seal. That's what it is. Fine. That's what I want to say, to be fair and to don't be... I was not expecting to see double O-ring. I was not expecting to see like that. I was thinking earlier that it was O-ring on an O-ring. And that's not right. But not in this case. I was wrong, I make mistake. Alright, that's why I'm making this video, to correct that. Fine. There is inner and outer O-ring, and it's very smart, and it's very good, and it's welcome. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.